Prior to Bridgit, we were the typical Excel-based manpower planning company. The data that was in that Excel spreadsheet was typically characterized by one person's memory or lack thereof. And at best, it was probably 50% accurate, and it was 100% inaccurate within about an hour and a half of being deployed. Bridgit was able to effectively convince a wide range of people from different walks of life in this industry. I got project executives, I got field operations people, I got superintendents, all jumping on board and contributing. They are making keystrokes. So now we have with Bridgit all functionalities of leadership able to see one platform. Guys who are already on an existing job, already pre-planned a year and a half out for the next job, getting certifications and training that might be unique for that job so they can just hit the road running when they get there. Never had that before. We love data here, and data is fantastic, but if you cannot harness it and you cannot make it actionable, what are you doing? Ask Bridgit is giving us actionable data that management can use, and it's making really the value of putting the data into Bridgit, making that database. It's making the case for it, right? Spend the time, put it in, because later on you're going to get the benefits of it. And I said, show me all the employees with AED certification. Normally I'd have to run a report, but bang, up it came. Gave me those employees. Then I started saying, tell me all my employees with OSHA 10. Then I said, tell me all the employees with OSHA 30, because they may not have 10, they may have 30. These are all things that I was getting answers to within seconds. Hey, historically I'd have to run a report, and under our old Excel method could never have gotten. I'd be in an HR file, waist deep in antiquated information to try to figure that out. For the people in the field, I think there's an appreciation for the respect that they can see they're being treated with in terms of being moved. Leadership side, PX side, there's an appreciation for their viewpoint. We're giving consideration to what's coming on the horizon. And also human resources is feeling much more part of the activity and less frustrated because no one's running into their office and saying, I need a superintendent tomorrow. Unless you're addicted to pain, you've got to move over to this platform, right? It just makes things easier. It's efficient. It's accurate. It gives you actionable management data. You're going to go from a siloed event to a team event, and you're going to be making team decisions, and you're going to make accurate decisions.